rekindle the spark between me and my husband.
Yes.
I kind of felt like he was bored with me. We celebrated our 25th year last May. Do you guys think he feels tired of having me with him? We manage our business together, and I feel like he wants to be away from me since we are always with each other most of the time. Giboringan na ba ang iyang husband sa iyang asawa? Sige yan sila kuyog. So kani ang say tambag sa ato mga dalagang ulitaw. Dito siya at the other side, we have Dion, Shireen, Rajni, and Vaughn with you.
Yes.
Actually, para sa atong letter sender, I don't think nga isa ko sa makahatag og maayo nga tambag sa iya kay I've been married for 5 years pa. Mag 5 years pa mi this year niya, 25 years na. So, bitaw, actually, it's one of my fear, mga kapaglaom, nga pag inana na po mi kadugayon ni Daryl, basin sumhan po siya nako.
Siyempre, dili.
Hopefully, dili mga kapaglaom, no? So, ako lang sigurong mahatag nga tambag sa atong letter sender is that, mga simple nga pamaagi. Siguro magpagwapa ta, magpa-sexy ta,
Ibalik ang alindog.
Yes, kanang magpakuan ta sa atong kaugalingon kay kaning madugay na bitaw tano kanang sa balay lang ta, naana na lang ta nga magpambalay lang, ang buhok nakakuan lang, gubot. So kanang pag-uli sa atong bana or pagkuyog na to kanang murag something humot ta, kanang naka-ribbon, mga inaana siguro. Kanang gamay lang nga tip, kapag laom akong matambag sa imo.
And aside from that, maipot no nga, mag-banding,
Yes, pwede
mag-go
po.
out on a trip, at
Uy!
mag-Vietnam.
Uy, pero Kuya G, kadjot lang gid siguro kapare sa kanta ba nga naginaingon bitaw nga dili man gid ka attracted everyday sa imo ang kuan
nagi
siguro, di
times.
ba?
Yes.
Pero
Lang.
sumala pa sa kanta ni Ben and Ben nga pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Dapat
Ay.
ana no. Then
Muna giingon nga ka na ang love, dili siya emotion lang all the time.
Yes. It's a
Every day,
principle.
yes, it's a commitment nga piliun nimo ang imong partner. Piliun nimo imong partner, Raj, every day. Ikaw, nakaitambag, Raj.
Ako matambag ato, kataragad.
so teacher, balik na nila sa imate.
Wala akong si Von, mutingog pa. Wing, what can you say, Wing? Pila na mo kay years ni Gracie?
Dugay-dugay na din. Ang babae ram gyud mo kwenta sa tuigon. You know my friend, my suggestion and my advice to you. Di bitaw. Basin og naapog kay pagkulang kay usahay ang mga babae. Kinahanglan pod nga imo po nang i-challenge ang inyong mga bana, no? Pag-abot sa balay, imong lutuan og kanang paborito niya nga pagkaon. Ali na dad, mao ni mo paborito. Unya, pahuman, pasabak-sabak po kay niya dito sa laki. Sabak-sabak po ka, dad, gimingaw na ko nimo. Wala ba? Kaning mga lalaki, kinahanglan man ni unhan. Dili ni kinahanglan nga pabuton nimo. Kay pabuton nimo, huwag ni may mahimo. So, tibok ka ba Imo ning unhan. Ali na dili, kay kaning... Kanang imo na siyang unan kay kung dili nimo ni unan ning mga lalaki usahay mabisi man na sila kapoy o asa sila sa trabaho kapoy dagagyo na una na siya unya kung napad yung kay gusto nga kuan PM lang ka ni Bire ni Bing kay naa na siya
Sweeto.
mga tips mo nga ikaayo gina sa imo ha kay kabalo ko si Bing may kay na siyang mga kuan
Okay, Daryl. A husband now.
Letter sender, I
Two
think.
husbands talking.
Sa unang panahon, kuhit po siguro yung husband. Pag ikapoy ka, wala kay gana, na ang sabi, pa yung husband, na wala imot yung ingon nga maligo.
Iwakli.
Kasi kag balibad. Sige kag kapoy, matug na ta.
lagi
Naot panahon niya, yung bana sa kanang kapuya na po
na
siya, kuan ba nga, wag ako may tabuan di abon matuman na itong gusto ani.
lagi
What I can say is that sa kanang pitong kandila nga palong, imo na siyang dagutan ng pusporo para musiga. The spark may be gone, but it's not gone for good. Nanginanglan lang ka sa gitawad sa chemistry nga activation energy. Pero, emphasis on energy. You have to make efforts. Magwapa or
Correct.
maguna-una, hawid sa iyong kamot, start appreciating your husband, make connection, and ihatag tong activation energy para ang kandila mo spark once more, musiga.
Naidugang ana chan, kung unsa tong sa dalaga pa mo balikon ninyo to mga dit
Na.
nyo, adto sa bukid nga mo'y paborito nimo, dito tanaw-tanaw sila sang silpi.
Ikaw, Bing, what can you say?
You have really to spice up your life. Mura magkanta.
Ipapihim
Lingerie.
sa imo day, ipapihim gid siya sa imo day.
Yeah, dili lang ni pang na ako advice nga dili lang jud pang TV pero kung gusto siya makadungog. Message siya sa ko. Charis.
Censored, Vic.
Ito mga kapaglaom, you have kanang sakto to lang gipangingon no pero you have really to communicate you need to
To your
communicate your partner. And of course, kanang mga panginahanglanon sa mga lalaki, kanang
Provide.
naaman jud na no, na jud
Provide.
na kay sometimes kaning lalaki magsapot-sapot kabalo na jud kaon sa ilang
mga lagi
kinahanglan. Isip asawa.
Yes.
So kung mo to kung maka-identify na ka PM na sako.
Sa ako bitaw for me kan sumpay ko sa ingon ni Daria atong fire ba nga sige naman good siguro mo uban. Basig kinahanglan magpa-feel po kag absence.
Pwede po.
Just
Because
like the-
absence makes the heart
Paramingawon.
Just like the fire needs oxygen, you also need to like,
Breathe.
be that oxygen nga. Tagaan mo siya breather, have that time na siya lang alone.
Yeah.
Maybe give him time to be with friends. Mag-basketball, di ba, Wing?
Oh, basketball.
Mag-basketball.
Mag-volleyball. Magsumba.
I got freedom.
Give him time to feel your existence. Your absence. Para mo balik siguro kay ingon man niya nga nag-business ko sila together.
Lagi.
Sila duha. So sila basig ka murag yung duha all the time. So give him time to be with friends and make him time to miss you more. Pastor, what can you say?
I think, first of all, you need to recommit and reaffirm that you're going to stay married. Regardless of what happens, you're going to stay together.
Yes.
Now, here's the truth. Because of the way we are built biologically, sometimes you feel very close to your wife. You know, I love you, we love you. Then you have times when you don't feel so close. And it's part of the growth of a relationship.
Yes.
On those times when you feel, oh, I love you, I want you next to me, I want you with me forever, you're married.
Okay.
But on those times when you don't feel so close, you're still married.
Yeah.
Nothing has
Nothing has
changed. Nothing has changed. It's like the other church. Some days you feel like a strong Adventist. Other days you don't feel like a strong, but you're an Adventist even though you don't feel it. So you've got to realize that there are going to be ebbs and flows in a relationship. When you've been married as long as these two people have, we have a way of talking past each other. We talk past each other. So you've got to recommit to, as you said, communication with each other. If you want to know the answer to a question, ask him. But be prepared for the answer that you get. And be prepared for the understanding that marriage is work. You've got two people, you got him and her. And you don't always see alike. And you don't have to always see alike. James and Ellen White did not always see alike, but they were committed to each other. They were committed to working at the relationship. If he needs a little space, give him a little space. Make sure you're having worship in the morning and the evening. And spend a little less time on your cell phone, and a little
Social
more time
connectedness.
talking to each other.
Alright, thank you so much, Pastor. To our letter sender, I hope that nakatabang ang mga tambag diri, and yes, DM, PM for
PM is
more
okay.
tips.
The views and opinions expressed in the program are those of the hosts and guests and do not necessarily reflect or represent the beliefs and teachings of the program, the network, and the Seventh-day Adventist Church.